In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your workflow's enrollment history in HubSpot. We'll start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website in the results. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you use single sign-on, just follow your organization's login flow. After you're in, give the page a moment to fully load so the navigation is ready. Next, move your mouse over the main left-hand sidebar. You're looking for the section labeled Automation. This is where HubSpot groups tools like sequences and workflows, and it's the home base for everything related to automated processes. If you don't immediately see it, slowly hover over the icons. The labels will expand as you move along the menu. Click Automation, then select Workflows. This takes you to the list of all workflows available to you. You'll see their names, statuses, and other quick details. Find the workflow whose enrollment history you want to review. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top to locate it by name. Hover your mouse over that workflow row to reveal more options, then click More. From the drop-down that appears, choose View Details. This opens the detailed panel for that specific workflow, where you can explore performance, settings, and enrollment information. Within the Details view, look for the tab or section labeled Enrollment History and click it. This is the place where HubSpot logs who entered the workflow, when they enrolled, and how they qualified. You'll typically see timestamps, the trigger that caused the enrollment, and whether the contact or object has enrolled more than once. This view is especially helpful when you're troubleshooting why someone did or did not enter a workflow, validating your enrollment criteria, or confirming that recent changes are behaving as expected. As you review the entries, scan for patterns like spikes in enrollment after a form launch or gaps that might suggest a filter is too strict. If something looks off, note the enrollment trigger listed for that record. It often points straight to the condition that was met. Keep in mind that access to workflows and their history depends on your user permissions. So if you don't see automation or workflows, check with your admin. That's it. You've reached your workflow's enrollment history and can confidently trace who entered and why, all from within HubSpot's Details view.